Assalamu alaikum, voice from the Gambia, voice from the Smiling Coast, voice from Foni, Bajana right at the moment. It's like matter of 1 minute away from Foni block to Foni, Bajana. So right now, I can simply say it is 30 minutes driving, 25 minutes driving away from Brikama to Foni, Bajana. If it is a public car, it will take you for 25-30 minutes, but if it's your own car, it might be take you for 20 minutes. So it's all about land sales in the Gambia. Well, before I go for that, I'd love to extend my greetings to the four corners of the world in Belgium, Italy, Germany, Norway, America, Chicago, all over the world. As we said, we are working hard each and every day to make a better name for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. We are saying thank you very much for African diasporas, Gambian diasporas who are watching us every day and night, and then Gambians diasporas who are supporting the platform and same way giving us support, you know, encouraging the platform to move further. So right now, before I will go further, I will urge you all, Wolipa or a lot of land scammers in the Gambia. So before you buy a land in the Gambia, take your time properly, standardly, and buy a perfect land. So when it comes to land in the Gambia, in Foni, there's no problem when it comes to land sales in Foni. So here is a company, there's a company that sells lands right in the Gambia. And then I did a video for them that was like, I think 6 or 1 month ago, one year ago.
2 years ago, 3 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
And everything is sold out. So one of my sisters down there in Belgium who bought 2 plots over here. Right now, as you can see, that fence corrugates over there. It is bought by our subscriber, and then he fenced it. And then this fence behind me, Papa, you can simply see it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's owned by my subscriber, is 40 by 20. And then that one over there. And then that blocks that they are making is owned by our subscribers. That other fence, the house they are building over there, those blocks is over there. Everything here is owned by my viewers, my subscribers around the world. So we are saying thank you for supporting, you know, or to buy lands, safe lands, proper land, standard land in the Gambia through our platform. You know what I mean? So right now, this one is on sale. If you are interested, you can call the number on the video. Talk to the buyer, or you can even simply talk to Lucky Child. We will simply set it out, and the documents, everything will is available. So right now, all of your documents, the land is simply, you know, we have listed here, and we have in all necessary documents. So you know, as a list land, you know, you got everything. So right now, started from this peck here to that one, swear it is going, you know what I mean. So the land was bought by we buy it in 2 years ago. That was like, Papa, it was 200,000 Gambian dollars, yeah. 225, yeah.
Yeah.
And then now we bid down. And the price is down. It's because of through our platform, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now this one is going for 250K or 275K, yeah.
With
so
negotiation?
With negotiation,
all right.
yeah. What your pocket can. So you can simply call for negotiation. Just see what you can. So from this pillar here to that pillar over there, and from this pillar to where this fence is started. So everything is demarcated, yeah. Have a comfortable land in a comfortable zone in the Gambia, West Africa. Yeah, man. It was 40 pluses over here to 50 plus because I think it was 200 by 200, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So started from this block here, from this fence here, is bought by our subscriber. This is 20 by 20, 40 by 20, same way. This is 40 by 20.
40 by 20.
40 by 20. So most of them telephone ni la sankale nga ko beka gale den nga kayto di la molla. So comme ka fanya rek mbadingol ba Foni Bajana la kono mu yalon ka nem Brikama man jam fanyola 20 minutes kata 25 minutes 30 minutes driving na treba public kale kono. So but this one ba wafikan ne ni ajube atenim block kana jang minute kili minute fula rek mi bof sala la noto la jang. So lano nying 20 by 20 re 40 by 40 lem nung but sign 20 by 20 mbole bondikang time nang lano nyin sang it was 2 years ago lano nyin sang
40 tama ba ngajibe 40 tama ngajibe
40 nying fon so tama
sa lojang ya start ibe training program min kan jana ikata jere straight
ikata wolto straight baba ja commence ta janne ite lo ta na jente nga janne ma
ite lo ja ite le 40 nying muta hara
so we got to work for him for la men 20 ngambulo londi jala ko lo ni mumba sana yes tonton bol orindame
okay
ton so this is the 20
okay so look at 1 minute 2 seconds. So when you saddle bone mun tama 20 bo saddle wa Africa.
Wala ba wa Africa.
Okay,
from that Colgate, up to where I am right now.
Okay.
Nilem 20. Na pek ko nyu be pek. Come see the pek. You see?
Okay.
48 49.
Okay.
48
that's 48
and 49. So this 49. Is the 48 and 49.
Okay.
So 49 started from here to 50 is where the land stops. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah? So whoever gonna buy, you're gonna buy straight from there here. And you see another residential, you can see it is surrounded by neighbors.
And even behind these places here, there are compounds. Even behind here,
there are compounds and farms, cashew farms and things.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's the another 20 you're working on.
So this another 20 that will make it as 40.
Okay.
It's 2 plots here. It's 40 by 20. 40 by 20.
So the journey together, but right now you are moving out 20 by 20.
20 by 20. That's the side there.
Okay, that's in the other side here.
Wow. So that's the other 20, but this one is not for sale, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I tell them it's not far from the highway.
Yeah, man.
How long is from here to the highway?
It's like 1 minute walk, 2 minutes. Yeah, you just spot yourself. Motola man rakatambi, right? Banyo motor je fat, and you see the electricity pole over there.
Yeah.
And that's the school. Like if you have a house there, your kids, your children can go to school at any time.
Yeah.
You see the neighboring houses, the 4 settlement here.
Yes.
They all live very comfortable. So Foni is a very comfortable zone. Kumalan ko warek sumam bokay ak ñep rek mang leen di wane nuyo rek from the smiling coast of West Africa. Land bi so leen di mëna fatalaku ñaari at ci gannaaw lañ defoon video fi with Caroline company estate company. It's also one of a reliable company in the Gambia. And then they are the one that bought this one from the Fonyinkas. So they demarcate this one and then selling it, to sell it over 50 people, over 40 people, because this was 200 by 200,
200,
and then so now the land value is always going up, and then a lot of land scammers. So bini ñu jay 40 bi 20 by 20. Yeah, so kuko buga rek mën nga call no telephone number bu nekk ci screen bi rek ñu waxtaan rek ba jubo right now ku buga comfort zone rek callal fi number bi ni ñu mëna joko ñu jakarlo ñu waxante naka la price bi nekkon diko def nak mu hard nak pour ñep because dañ xamne pour am a safe resident a safe places it's not easy though in the Gambia because a lot of land scammers. But anywhere you see Lucky Child, move into free your mind and comfort your mind. We are the eye of the Gambia, the prince of Africa, from the smiling coast of the world. So thank you very much for watching Lucky Child.
So in case you are out there don't have a piece of land, please rush and buy this land. It's very cheap and reliable.
So the price bi mu ngay dem value bi daf lay yokku dem ci kaw.
No, the value is because xam na ku ko njëkk séta mo first 5 people ñu ko njëkk dañu njëkk pour call.
Well, I know 5 people. So bugé ci first 5 people you call rek.
So it's just yours, you know what I mean? The documents, everything are intact, innit?
Yeah, man. So one thing I forget to say, fire upon the old land scammers.
Boom.
Subscribe, like, and share to the 4 corners of the world. Content now, New Satan, from the starting of our journey up to date today. You guys are supporting. So we move further. Buy this one, and then we see your support from the West. Pabaji, thank you. Tell them thank you for watching.
Yeah, man, that's it. Subscribe and thanks for watching.
Yeah, man.
Ross and bye. Bam.
Amucha watu.